We're going to be looking at the AI image reader right now. And basically, the way it works is it takes an image that you give it and it will use that as part of its context for the prompt that you give it. So, the first prompt that I gave, and just to show a little example, is I just said, tell me everything that's on this image. And so, if we look at the first output, we can see that it just shows this pie chart of the survey that I did. And it does it pretty accurately. We're running on GPT 4.0, which is enhanced AI's new system as of this recording. OpenAI just released this model, and so we're able to use the API. And you can be able to, based on the context, ask it questions related to this image. So my next question I asked it was here. I said, can you generate insights from what you see on this image? And so not only can it read it and share what's happening, but it can also give me insights based on what the image is. And so you can ask it questions related to the image. And this has a lot of different use cases for different situations. And so now I'm going to try and show you a new one here. So I'm going to connect this text box here, and I'm just asking, are there any mistakes you see in the data? I don't know what it's going to return, but it'll just give the AI's own system opinion. But if you want to get better answers, I've said before that the more context you give it, then you're going to get better answers. So here it gives me some recommendations on where the data could be a little inconsistent or where it could be a little better. So you can do this a number of ways. Any type of image, this will be able to read with great accuracy. We can look at the settings here, and you can change it around. GPT 4.0 is the best model to use for this. There's also Blip 2, it would give you very hyper-specific answers in short text. And then you can change around the AI model with this, because basically what the image reader is an image generator and a text generator combined together. And so mainly this is what's going to affect the text generator. And so the temperature here is going to, just the same as a text generator, make it either more creative answer or less creative answer, depending on what you set it at. And the F penalty is the frequency. And so the higher it is, the less frequent it's going to use the same words, and the lower frequency penalty, it's going to use the same words over and over again. And then the P penalty is its presence. And so when you have a higher P penalty, you're going to have more topics. If you have a lower P penalty, you're going to have less topics. And so it just depends on what type of answer you want from the AI system. But that's how the AI image reader works. And there's lots of use cases for it. And so you should go try it out yourself.